everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a Christmas clean and decorate with me for 2022. If you are new here, my name is Rosielynn. I am a mom to 3 little ones, and I'm also a wife to my husband, who's right there in the clip. We are going to start off in the living room, and we are going to open this tree. I got this at an amazing deal from Michael's this year, and I'm so thrilled about it because I've always wanted a tree like this. I'm originally from Colorado, and we live in California now, and having a snow inspired tree just makes me miss home so much. So this is our first year in our home that we're in, and it just makes it so special because we've never spent Christmas here before, and I'm really excited to just share that with you guys and share some realistic motivation. So stay tuned. There's a lot in this video, and I really hope you enjoy it.
In our own specific state, it's the logic of things that I never could explain. Fill the blanks in our dirty sheets when I'm missing a single piece. What are we doing?
I want to show you an Amazon find. This is my tree collar this year. It's collapsible and you just click it together and it makes for easy storage, but it also has a really cute woven basket look to it. I love the color. I can reuse this throughout the years. I love that it was a really good price, figuring the ones that I seen at Michael's were like $60. People spend that much on tree collars? I was baffled, mind blown. Anyways, I really loved this one. It's so cute. I will link it below to see if it's still available. If you purchase anything from my links below, I do receive a little compensation for it. So thank you so much if you do that. But honestly, do not buy anything if you don't need it. I do not want to influence you to spend money that you don't need to be spending. So if you don't need a tree collar, don't buy it, but it's so good if you do need one. So I just wanted to let you guys know that we're going to be moving into the living room, organizing some of the ornaments and some decorations that's going to be going for our Grinchmas kitchen that you'll be seeing in an upcoming video.
It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together and that we can find a way. The first snow this Christmas is promised for this day.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
I can't even tell you guys how excited I was when I seen these bows at Dollar Tree for $1.25. You get a small pack with 2 for $1.25, or you can get a big bow for $1.25. I was blown away and so happy for this find because some of these bows can get really pricey at Walmart or Target or just kind of like the bigger stores. So if you're looking for a look for less, definitely check out your local Dollar Tree. I was shocked when I found this, and it just made this garland look so adorable. So definitely wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know what you think.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love.
I wanted to share a Target find. Look how cute these are, you guys. These were $5 a piece and they're the Threshold brand. I figured I could add these little red berry accessories that I've had and just kind of add it to the garland that I already had to give it like a nice frosted look to complement the tree and the staircase.
A moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close, you know the stars.
I just wanted to remind you guys that if you're having a hard time, or if holidays overwhelm you, or if you just get kind of clustered from anything that you've gone through in your life, know that it's okay. You do not have to overwhelm yourself or feel like you're not good enough or value your worth based on what you do for the holiday season. Your kids and your family are so appreciative of you and they love you just for what you do for them. Your value does not come from what you purchase for them. I can promise you that.
I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful.
Next, I'm going to be adding the girls' holiday books in this little cute Merry Christmas wooden box. And what I love about this is every year we add a new book and they look forward to it so much and it's just so much fun. I know they will always look back and remember this and it'll just be so special to them as it is to us. Here's a candy cane garland that I found from the Target dollar spot, and it just looks so cute wrapped around the collar of our tree, and I'm so thrilled with how it turned out. We are going to head upstairs and give you some good laundry motivation. I was really neglecting my laundry room ever since I had surgery and was just kind of piled up with things. I kind of put my laundry room on the back burner, which I definitely regret doing. So today I'm going to give it that love it really needs.
Flake of snow is set to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way, and for every single child there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today.
into the girls' bathroom and we're gonna give it a good clean. I do use a thieves cleaner, and I'm also using a Mr. Clean scrub eraser to really get in and clean the tub.
Dreaming, there's no way back now. Take every inch of my body, wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got, 'cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into.
I'm just gonna give the bathroom a good clean. I'm gonna do the mirrors, the countertops, the cabinets, the toilet, the floors. I wanted to share this really cute hairstyle stand that I have on the right hand side. I keep all of my daughter's hair supplies in there, you guys, from combs, headbands, barrettes, bows, and this has made mornings so easy when it comes to getting them ready for school. It's right there as they're done brushing their teeth. They can go ahead and pick out things that they like or want to wear for the day, and it has made mornings so easy.
Shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
I love using disposable Clorox wipes on the toilet. It's just always been something that I love to use. I also like to wipe down the step stools that my daughters use when they brush their teeth or wash their hands after they're done using the potty. I need to get more of like the Clorox wand refills and stuff. In the meantime, I'm just going to use what I had, which was a wand with some Scrubby Bubbles toilet cleaner. And Scrubby Bubbles isn't my favorite product, but I did have it on hand and I needed to get this cleaned, so I used it and it worked pretty well. So that's what I'm going to be doing, just finishing up the toilet, cleaning it from top to bottom. I did not clip off the toilet little handles. I should have done that, but I was just doing a maintenance clean. But there are these little clips from the back of the lid that you pop off and you remove the seat and you wipe down underneath it. I didn't do it this time, but I do it when I do my deep cleaning. It's so important. So much grime gets like built up in there. It's so gooey. But yeah, just thought I'd share.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you why.
The Target dollar spot did not disappoint me with these really cute gingerbread man. This is a little banner and I just thought it would look adorable for the restroom. I really wanted to do like a shower curtain and like the full works, but honestly it was just too much this year for me, so I just decided to go with something as simple as this. And you guys, the kids absolutely loved it. It was so cute and it's held up really well. They can't reach it, but it's just so adorable to see and just to give that holiday feel in the restroom. I'm also going to be adding a really cute find that I found from the Dollar Tree. It's a little floor mat and I just thought it touched up the restroom so well. The snowman soap I got from TJ Maxx and it came in a set of 4, which was a really good deal, and I'm just so happy with the way the restroom turned out.
What you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I'm bothering under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see.
I'm going to be finishing out today's video with some laundry motivation. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope this video uplifted you to get into the holiday spirit or gave you some ideas or some cool finds that you can look for this year for your holiday decor. Let me know in the comments below what you think and what you're up to. I love talking to you guys and chit-chatting in the comment section, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in a new video. Bye.
Now I wanna embrace